Wow, your videos are so clean. How do you make them? Your videos are always looking professional. Teach us now. What app do you use to edit your videos? I love your videos. Very neat. When are you dropping tutorial? I get these questions every time I drop a video, and honestly, it shows you guys are ready to step up your content game. From this to this. Same video, just better editing. Let me show you how I did that. My name is Jovita Umei, and in this video, I will show you the easiest and best way to edit your videos like a pro. No laptop, no stress, just your mobile phone. Watch this video till the end because I will also show you one secret free app most creators don't even talk about. There are different apps you can use. We will start with CapCut, but since most of the officials have become pro, I will also show you other free options like VN, TikTok. I think there is InShot, UCut, and even Slice. This tutorial is beginner friendly and well detailed. I know how frustrating it feels when you shoot a nice clip, but it doesn't look right after editing. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will learn how to trim, add transitions, remove background noise, color grade, add auto captions, text, sounds, and so much more. All these are what make people actually want to watch your videos till the end. So grab your phone and let's get started. First, download CapCut and VN for now. Android users get them from Play Store and iPhone users from the App Store. This is what their icons look like. We are starting with CapCut. Don't worry about the Pro features. I will show you a smart way to enjoy all those CapCut Pro features without doing too much. So keep watching to see the trick. Mine is showing open because I already have the app on my phone. Go ahead and install the CapCut. After that, you open the app. I will minimize and open mine. Whether iPhone or Android, as you can see, they are the same thing. Everything there is the same. This is what the home interface looks like. At the bottom, you will see a few main tabs. First one, Edit. This is where you create your video projects. Next is Templates. Here, you can pick ready-made video styles. You can just add your clips and it automatically edits for you. Next is Project. This shows your ongoing and saved edits. And finally, Me. This is your profile section where you can sign in or manage your account. Now let's go back to edit because that's where the main magic happens. To start editing, tap New Project. It will open your phone's gallery or video folder. Select the video or videos you want to edit. You can choose just one or multiple clips. If you are confused or not sure of the video, tap the center. It will come out well like this, so you confirm. Go back from here and continue selecting. Once you have selected them, tap this Add below and CapCut will import them into your workspace. This is your timeline, the main editing area where all the clips appear. From here, you can cut, trim, add effects, transitions, text, sounds, and more. Before editing, you might want to set your aspect ratio depending on where you will upload the video. For example, 9:16 is perfect for Reels. That's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and Instagram Reels. Then 16:9 is for normal YouTube videos. To do this, at the bottom, scroll to the right and find aspect ratio. Tap it and choose the size you want. Choose this TikTok 9:16 if yours is TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram Reels. There is YouTube and others. For my YouTube videos, I will select 16:9, that's landscape, then rotate the video like this to fit in. Then for short reels, I will select 9:16. Now let's go through the tools at the bottom one by one. That's the important ones. First is Edit. This is where you can trim, split, speed up your clips, and so on. So to trim your videos means cutting out the parts that are not necessary, just like you see me doing in the video. To do that, tap on the video you want to trim. You will notice two white handles appear at both ends of the clip. That shows it's selected. If you want to trim from the beginning, hold the left white handle and drag it towards the center until it gets to the point where you want your video to start. You can also trim from the end. Just hold the right white handle and drag it towards the center to remove the unwanted part at the end. Another method is to split your clip. To do that, tap on the video to select it. Move the playhead, that's this white vertical line, to the exact spot where you want to cut, and then tap Split at the bottom. This separates the clip into two parts. From there, you can delete or trim off any section you don't need by selecting it and tapping Delete, or dragging the white handles again. And that's it for trimming. Trimming helps you keep only the useful parts of your video and remove any extra or unwanted scene. After trimming, next is audio. Don't select any video so you can see this audio feature. I will show you how I did this dress dancing transition towards the end, so make sure you watch till the end. Now let's move over to the audio section. This is where you can add background music, sound effects, or even your own voiceovers to make your video more lively. Tap on audio at the bottom of your screen. You will see a few options. If you tap sound, CapCut will show you a list of free music you can use. You can play each of them to select. You can browse through the different categories or use the search bar to find something that matches your video vibe. Scroll up. Once you find the track you like, just tap the download icon beside it. Then tap the plus sign to add it to your timeline. You can adjust where the music starts by dragging it left or right on the timeline. These sound effects, you can use it to add short, unique sounds to your videos. Just download and use the plus button to add anyone to the timeline. Next is voiceover. If you want to record your own voice, maybe to explain something or do a narration like this, I always use this voiceover on my videos. So tap record and hold the record button to start talking. Release it when you are done and your voice will automatically appear on the timeline like this. You can also trim or adjust the voice clip just like a normal video clip. If the music or voiceover is too loud, tap on it, locate this volume below, and reduce the volume or increase anyone that works for you. Next is speed. You can also adjust the speed of your sound or video here if you want to make it faster or slower. Next is removing background noise. Select the sound clip, scroll to the left down here and locate reduce noise. Tap it and on it from here, then click this check mark. Play it, you will notice the difference. It will eliminate every background noise in your clip. You can reduce the volume of this music. Let it serve as background music, then increase your voiceover if you want. Now let's move on to the text section. This is where you can add captions, titles, or any text you want to appear on your video. To add text, tap on text, then choose add text. Type whatever you want, maybe your video title, your name, or a short caption. I will just type welcome to my page. After typing, click here. You can take the text up or down. Now if you want it to appear or disappear at a specific time, just drag the edges of the text bar on the timeline to adjust how long it stays on screen. To change the font, style, and add animation, tap the text and click on this style. It will take you to the editing interface. Here, you can adjust the font, color, style, and animation to make it stand out. You can select any template you like from here. Just play around with it. For the animation, you can choose from here and adjust the timing too. After adjusting the text to your taste, click here and it will bring you back to the timeline. You can decide to copy it by tapping this duplicate. That's if you want. Then select the text and tap lasting text if you want it to appear throughout your video. You can tap this draw if you want to draw anything like arrow or any shape at all. Next is auto caption. If you are talking in your video and want subtitles to appear automatically, this feature will save you a lot of time. To use it, go to text and tap auto captions. Generate from either the video or voiceover. Click done and click generate. It's going to start generating. After that, you will see captions generated. You can click on this edit captions to adjust the template, font, color style, and animation, and that will be all for auto captions. You can position it anywhere you like. Next in line is effects. This is where you can add extra visual effects to make your video look more creative and engaging. When you tap on effects, you will see different categories like video effects, body effects, and more. Each one gives your clip a different look or motion. Just like these video effects, tap on it to see different effects like blur, shake, flash, or color filters that can add movement or mood to your video. Under body effects, CapCut can automatically detect your body and apply effects that follow your movement, like glowing outline, motion trail, or highlights. Let me show you with another video. This is a type of video effect. Can you see the changes? Select any one you like. This is a type of body effect, stroke, glowing line, and so on. Feel free to explore the effect feature and play around with it. Now let's move over to the overlay section. This section is important for content creators that like doing reaction or commentary videos. This tool allows you to add another video or picture or clip on top of your main video, something like this. To use it, just tap overlay, then next add overlay. Choose the video or image you want to add from your gallery, and it will appear on your timeline as a new layer above your main clip. You can resize it or move it anywhere on the screen by pinching or dragging with your fingers. This is perfect for things like adding your logo, inserting pop-up images like this, or combining multiple clips in one frame. To crop the added video or image, tap on it, then locate this crop below and crop to your taste. If you have been wanting to learn how to edit reaction videos or commentary videos, this is the exact feature you will be using. You can add your reaction clip as an overlay while the main video plays behind it, just like what you see in regular reaction videos on Facebook, Instagram, and others. From there, you can trim it, adjust the volume, or add effect. Quick one, guys, before we continue, if you want to learn how to grow and monetize your content faster across social media or stay consistent online for your brand or business, tap the card that just popped up on your screen. You can also check the description box below after this video for the full tutorial guide. Alright, let's continue. Next is to remove background. This removing background is also good for reaction and commentary videos. To remove background, tap on the video. Down here, scroll to the right, find this remove background. Tap on it and click on auto removal. Then tap this check mark. It will remove your video or image background for you, just like this. Adjust and position it anywhere you like. Next, we have filters and adjust, which are used for color grading. Basically, this is where you fine-tune the look and mood of your video to make it colorful and sharp. Tap on filters and you will see different categories like food, portrait, nature, and cinema. Each filter instantly changes the overall tone of your videos. Some will make your video brighter, just as you can see. Some give it a warm or vintage feel. You can slide the intensity bar left or right to control how strong you want the filter to be. Keep checking until you find one that matches your video style or your video mood. I am using both human video and another video, so you know that it applies to your body videos and any nature or object videos you want to edit. Any video at all, it applies to it. If you want to customize the colors even more, tap on adjust. I use this one very well. You can manually change things like brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, highlights, and shadows. For example, you can make your video pop by increasing the contrast slightly, or create a soft look by reducing the saturation. You can increase or reduce brightness, brilliance, increase the sharpness, and others, just as you see me doing. Play around with the color settings to find your unique editing style. These adjustments help your video look cleaner, more professional, and visually appealing. Just be checking out for features that has this little blue or purple diamond shape. Those are the pro features, something like this. Then the ones without it are free, like these ones. Don't worry, I will show you how you can enjoy the pro features, because these pro features are what will make your video stand out. Just keep watching. When you are done, tap the check mark to save your changes. This is the adjustment here. You can see the difference, right? Hold the white handle and drag it to the end of your video so it covers everywhere. This one up is the filter. You can delete or leave it. The last one before we export is transition. Transition helps your clips flow smoothly from one to another, just like this. To add transition, look at the small white box or the plus sign between two clips on your timeline and tap on it like this. You will see different transition styles like camera, heat, light, basic, glitch, blur, and others. Just tap any one to preview how it looks. If you like it, adjust the duration from here. That's how long the transition lasts. I'll select this one. Then I like this passerby. I will use it for this side. I selected dust flurry and then click the check mark to apply. For your face or body video like this one, it's still the same thing. Click on this small plus sign and select any transition. I like this then and now. This is what it looks like. For the next one, I selected black fade and this is it. Play around with it until you find the one that matches your editing vibe. Before we round up, we have these animations. You can try it out for your videos too. Tap on it and start trying them out one after the other. I like choosing it too. I like this stack ripple and zoom out. Check for the one that fits your video and use it. I used fade-in animation for this one and it came out well. After, you play your video to make sure it's giving you what you want. This is for a sit down and talking video. I use the same CapCut features just as I have shown you guys to edit this one too, and it's very fine. Before I show you guys the trick on how to enjoy CapCut Pro features without paying full price and the secret free app for editing, let me quickly show you how to export your videos and how I did the dress transition. After editing and cross-checking to make sure everything looks good, the final step is to export it. To do that, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on this AI UHD with small white arrow. You will see options like resolutions. I use 1080p. If you are on free mode, use 720p. Frame rate, I use 30. Code rate, I use recommended. For this watermark, tap on it and select hidden. Turn on this smart HDR. It will make your video very sharp and smooth. Then this AI Ultra, it makes your video over sharp. I usually turn it off because I don't like it. Next, click export. It will start exporting. Once it finishes exporting, you can preview the video or share it directly to any of your social media platform. Now for the dancing video transition. After recording yourself, click new project and import the videos. Arrange it the way you want and trim off the parts you don't need. All you need to do is to get the last part of your before video like this. The moment the cloth covers the full screen, you trim off the remaining part. Then get the second part where you are already wearing the dress. Start exactly where the dress you are holding covers the whole screen, just like this. Increase the speed to 1.5. Now when you play it, can you see how smooth the transition is? That's the power of editing. Remember to set the ratio to 9:16 for reels. Add text and other features to make it finer. Now for the way to enjoy CapCut Pro features, I know a lot of people usually get scared when they see those CapCut Pro features, especially when the app starts showing upgrade to Pro. Don't worry, I was like that too at first. But here is the good part. There is a way to enjoy all those Pro features without paying the full amount directly to CapCut. We have a creator team where we share the CapCut Pro subscription. It's safe, easy and super affordable. And once you join, you will get your own login details plus access to our small group chat where we guide you through it. If you are interested in this, just send me a DM on Instagram at Jovita Ume. I will tell you exactly how to join and start editing with Pro features too. This is my Instagram page. DM me from here. Trust me, once you try it, you will never want to go back to the free version again. For those that want to know the secret free app some creators are using to edit, it's called VN Editor. This is what it looks like. This one is free and easy to use. I will show you guys how to use it to edit, even TikTok. All you need to do now is to click on this picture to subscribe now and on notification bell so that you will be notified first whenever I upload the tutorial video guide. For other free apps you can use to edit your videos, you can download InShot, YouCut, TikTok. They are free and easy to use. I will show you more in our next class. Just subscribe. Now you've seen how easy it is to edit, right? No more excuses. Start now. Please, if this tutorial helped you, like this video and type the app you prefer in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching till now. I will see you in my next one. Bye.